Hi, alright, in this video we're going to talk about composite function. So given fx equals to square 8 over x and fgx equals to 4 over x minus 3, and you need to find the gx here. Alright, you have to find the gx here. So how to find gx is given the first function, right? Is given the first function, given the given the second function is given the second function, and this is a function that you're going to find, right? For this type of case, you have techniques where you find the fgx, which is already given, but you know that you have fx, right? You have fx equals to 8 over x, right? So you know that if the x here is replaced with gx, so of course this one also you have to, the x here you also have to replace with gx, right? Gx, this one will be gx. So at fgx is 8 over gx, and that was already given. Fgx is also 4 over x minus 3. So which you equal this equals to 4 over x minus 3, right? From here you can find the gx, and you can cross multiply. All right, you can do cross multiply where you have 4 gx and 8x minus 3, right? 8x minus 3, and you divide both sides by 4, right? You 8 divided by 4, you have 2x minus 3. So therefore you have get your gx here. Your gx will be 2x minus 6, right? Very simple. So this is a technique. You use this technique when you given the second function, but not the first function is something that you want to find. So we will go for another example. All right, let's move on with this example. Given fx is equals to x squared minus 2 and fgx equals to 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. So where in this function that they given you the second function, but not, this is given, but they not give you the first function, right? This is something that you want to find. Means they require you to find gx here, right? Finding the gx. So for this type of techniques, that you need to know that fgx you also can written as f bracket gx. So for example, I can replace this with this. A technique here is I replace this with gx. I replace this with gx. So of course you are getting the gx to the power of 2 minus 2, right? Gx to minus 2, and fgx is also same as 4x squared plus 4x minus 1. So you have gx to the power of 2 minus 2 equals to 4x to the power of 2 plus with 4x minus 1, right? 4x minus 1. So in this case, I'm going to be gx square is going to be equals to, because you want to find the gx, so 4x square plus 4x minus 1 plus 2, minus 1 plus 2. So minus 1 plus 2, you have plus 1, right? So you see that minus 1 plus 2, you have plus 1. So you try to factorize this thing. So it will be getting 4x squared, right? You can factorize this into 2x and 2x and 1 and 1, 1 and 1. So positive and positive, right? Because 2x squared. So 2x plus 2x, you get 4x. So then this is mean that you have 2x plus 1 to the power of 2, and gx to be power of 2 equals to 2x plus 1 to the power of 2, right? So now you can find the value of gx. You can find the value of gx. So by doing squaring both sides, it's by doing square root both sides. You have gx to the power of 2, which is square root of 2x plus 1 to the power of 2. Then therefore you are getting gx equals to square root, and the square you have 2x plus 1, right? So this will be the function for gx. So I hope you can see the technique here where you put the gx into here, right? Gx into here, and you equate to the one given, then you can get the gx. Alright?